They were best friends who soon turned business partners. While one worked as a cable operator, the other looked after the shop. But greed soon took over, and the outcome was indeed gory. In this case, an alleged illicit love affair proved fatal for one of them. Who was the man who met a gory end? Who killed him and why? Let's find out.
July 20th, 2014. Heggere, Tumkur. The residents of the locality woke up to a shocker. The people of the locality were on their way to their work when they witnessed the unthinkable. It was at a ground situated in the locality that huge number of people had gathered. It seemed as though the people were curious to know what had happened in the ground and hence had gathered in large numbers. It was the dead body of a man found on the ground. People had gathered to witness the gory scene at Heggere. One of them immediately informed the Tumkur Rural Police about the incident. Accordingly, the cops arrived at the spot and began investigating. Dog squad and forensic experts also rushed to the spot. They looked around for clues but could not find anything except a bike and a beer bottle next to the dead body. Senior police officials, including SP Raman Gupta, visited the spot. It was a first of its kind incident that took place in the locality. The incident sent shockwaves in the locality and people feared to even step out of their house. The Tumkur Rural Police registered a case of murder and swung into action to nab the criminal. Teams were formed to investigate the case. The team finally succeeded in finding the identity of the man. He was identified as 38-year-old Manjunath. Who hailed from the same locality. Manjunath worked as a cable operator. He was a well-known man in the locality and people identified him as Manja alias Cable Manja.
20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸಂಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಗ್ಗೆರೆ ಹತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೂಟಲ್ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವುದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಏಜ್ ವೆಪನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥ್ರೋಟ್ ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಪಿ ರವಿ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೂರಲ್, ಮತ್ತು ಇಬ್ಬರು PSIಗಳು ಒಂದು ತಂಡ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ತಂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ಗಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೃತ್ನ ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಕೆಲವು ಲಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಗಳು ಇತ್ತು, ಕೆಲವು ಸಮ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಇತ್ತು.
Manjunath was married 3 years ago and the couple was also blessed with a son. Manjunath, who was into a small-scale business, later started the cable business. It was during this time that he met his friend Renuka Kumar. The duo soon became friends and later business partners. While Renuka Kumar looked after the shop, Manjunath went on field every day. Everything ran smoothly in their business until Renuka Prasad started visiting Manjunath's house frequently. Manjunath, who went to work on field, returned home late every day. Renuka Kumar, who took advantage of this, regularly visited Manjunath's house and started spending time with Manjunath's wife. As days passed, the duo allegedly became close to each other. One day, Renuka Kumar expressed his love for Manjunath's wife. Manjunath's wife, who heard this, was shocked. She never thought that Renuka Kumar would turn out to be a troublemaker in her life. She immediately informed her husband. Manjunath, who heard the news, was shell-shocked. He never thought that his best friend turned business partner would do this. Hence, Manjunath called Renuka Kumar and asked him what was happening. Renuka Kumar retaliated and told Manjunath not to interfere in his personal matter. He also told Manjunath to divorce his wife as soon as possible. Manjunath was irked by this. He wanted to teach Renuka Kumar a lesson. Hence, he told Renuka Kumar to meet him at the office the next day. But Renuka Kumar went underground. He was nowhere to be found for the next 2 days. Manjunath thought his friend had left the locality and continued with his business. 2 days passed by. It was on July 20th that Manjunath received the shock of his life when he received a phone call. It was none other than Renuka Kumar. Renuka Kumar called Manjunath and warned him of dire consequences if he refused to divorce his wife at the earliest. He also threatened to kill Manjunath if he refused to listen. Manjunath was irked and told Renuka Kumar that he would lodge a police complaint against him. Renuka Kumar feared that his dreams would be shattered and hatched a plan. He was way smarter than Manjunath thought him to be. According to the plan, Renuka Kumar called Manjunath and told him to meet him at a designated place on the fateful day. He also told Manjunath that he wanted to compromise with him for whatever he did to him. Manjunath believed his best friend's words and went to meet him at the designated spot. He had told his wife that he would return soon from the shop. As soon as he reached the spot, Renuka Kumar took Manjunath to a bar nearby. The duo downed alcohol and began discussing the issue. Renuka Kumar, who initially told Manjunath that he wanted to compromise with him and continue the business, did the unthinkable. He already had a plan in his mind. As Manjunath downed a few pegs and became inebriated, Renuka Kumar began discussing his affair with Manjunath's wife again. This irked Manjunath, but he was helpless. Soon, Renuka Kumar called 3 of his friends who were seated at the next table. It was all pre-planned. Renuka Kumar signaled his friends to attack Manjunath. The gang had brought lethal weapons with them. Soon after Renuka Kumar told them to attack, the gang attacked Manjunath. They dragged him out of the bar to an isolated place nearby and started beating him black and blue.
ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದ್ದವರೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ಯ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ಗಳು ಆರೋಪಿ ತರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾರು ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತನಿಖೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಬಾರಿಂದ ಈ ತರ ಇದು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಲವು ಲಿಕರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿಂದ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಆ ತನಿಖೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ನಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕರೆದು ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ ಬಾಯಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Manjunath did not expect this. One of the gang members swung the machete against Manjunath and slaughtered him. Manjunath succumbed on the spot. The gang then dumped his body in a ground nearby and left the place. On the way, they disposed the weapon used to kill Manjunath and fled from the spot. The next morning, the foul smell emanating from the body caught the attention of some of the villagers. They rushed to the spot and were shocked to see the dead body. One of them informed the cops.
ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ, ರೇಣುಕಾ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ A1 ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಅವರೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂವಾರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವರು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಮೃತನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಅವರು ಕೆಲವು 3.5 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ 4.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಇವರು ನಿರಾಕರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೃತರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗತ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಮೃತನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ವಿಚಾರ ಇತ್ತು ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು.
The cops who registered a case and investigated successfully arrested all the 4 accused in the murder. They have been identified as Renuka Kumar, Chandraya alias Chandra, Chandrasekhar and Shekhar. The accused were subjected to interrogation during which they confessed to the crime they committed.
ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹಣ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ 2 ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಿಂದ ಇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಳೆದ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸತಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಅದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನೈಟ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಬ್ರು ಮರ್ಸೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಇಬ್ರು ಸುಪಾರಿ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲೇ ಇರುವಂಥ ಜನತಾ ಕಾಲೋನಿ ಕೆಲವು ಇಬ್ರು ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೆಂಡ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಇವರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 2.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ 2 ವೆಪನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, 2 ಲಾಂಗ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಗಲೇ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಸೀಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು 500 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಥರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಿಂದ ಲಾಂಗಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಕುಮಾರ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಆರೋಪಿ ಮರ್ಸೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಲಾಂಗ್ ತಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೃತಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
Renuka Kumar claims that it was his affair with Manjunath's wife that led to the murder. The accused have now been remanded to judicial custody. Jayana Belagere for News 9, Tumkur.